Hey folks, you guys have an Anderson patio door that doesn't seem to slide anymore? Take the screen door off and take a look at the wheels on the bottom that it rides on. It's almost like a toy train on the track. They got these little roller wheels. Okay, they're designed to run on the track and they roll. They are adjustable. Okay, take a little screwdriver off to the side. At least with this design, you can adjust it over here and you will be able to move that wheel all the way in, okay, or all the way out, depending on the height of your door and how you want to move it. Okay, but this one, if you notice, is broken. This one is sunk all the way in, and no matter how much you try to adjust it, it just keeps spinning and it does nothing. Okay, doesn't even move at all. So what happens is that eventually the little guide will just ride right here and start wearing out the door. So we're going to change these little rollers right here. I got these off of Amazon. They're made by Anderson, supposedly. Okay, you don't want to buy the bootleg ones, even though they are cheaper. I try to get the one that's the brand name of the door. It says Anderson, comes in a pair. All right, and they basically just snap in. If you look at the design right here, they just push in. These are little tabs that are flexible. Okay, one on each side. Once you break the old ones off, these just basically just go in on an angle like this, come out through the other hole, and snap these right in. So to take them out, since they're already bad already, just got to break them off. I got a little screwdriver here. I'm just going to pry this off here and break them off, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to use my other hand. There you go. Just break the little two tabs there, and this will come right out like this, right out in your hands. All right, so that's what it looks like. The replacement one looks just like it, except it moves. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right in here like this, and we're going to install it. All right, just going to slide it in the hole. Okay, it should automatically line up over here, but I'm going to push it right there so you can see it. Okay, we're just going to snap it in. There you go. That's it. It lines up automatically. There is the hole. I'm going to turn the wheel for you. All right, with the adjustment screw, and watch. It's going to go all the way in and all the way out. There you go. Perfect. See? Easy replacement. Same thing we could do for the other side. They should snap right off. Don't worry about breaking the old one because they're no good anyway. So I just break this little tab here. You need the other hand just to hold it. All right, and it snaps right off. All right, once you break the little outside tabs in there, little screwdriver, push that other tang, and it'll come right out in your hands. All right, just got to wiggle it out like that. Bought these from a company called Atlas Lumber. They are no longer around. All right, so this one goes in here, just like that. Snap it in. There you go. We're good to go. And it should line up on the side. If not, just get a little screwdriver and pop it down a little bit. There you go. You're good to go. All right. So now we're going to put the door on, and then we're going to adjust it for the height. Okay, you can get like a rough idea. You want the wheels to stick out a little bit. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Oh, here it is with the screen door on. I'm going to show you the adjustment on the wheels. Okay, rides right along this little edge over here. So the wheels one on each side, it's going to either raise the back of this door, or raise the front or lower it. Okay, it's all an adjustment. Basically, the door that lines up where it's going to close, okay, where you're going to use it the most, you want that to be perfectly straight and even. Okay, depending on how old the door is, if the house settled or whatever, it's going to be a little off all the time. Or this thing here could have been tweaked, it could have fell off, could have bent. But watch, it's perfectly on this side. And watch when you open on this side. Okay? That's how much the door is off. It's lined up there, and it comes down as off over here. So now if I was to adjust this wheel and raise that back wheel up and lower this, yeah, I would get this gap over here closed perfectly. Okay? But the problem is, it's not going to line up on the left side. Okay? Same thing here. Watch this when I push this door. Okay? I can line that up so it's perfect there. But then when I go to close the door, which is the position that's going to be used the most, it's going to be here. And that's a perfect gap. All right, so I'm more worried about the perfect gap here than I am in the wide open stance. Okay, that's it. Screen door rollers. It's an easy job. Okay. In case you didn't know how this screen door comes up, you just lift it up and bend it out from underneath, and you got it. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.